Rose Gold Desk Organizer for Women. AUPSEN Mesh Office Supplies Desk Accessories. Features 5 compartments plus 1 mini sliding drawer. Start your storage journey right away. There are 5 compartments and 1 mini sliding drawer for this stylish and modern rose gold desktop organizer. Let us start changing from details, staying away from messy desktop and keeping organized. Unique and stylish, a combination of wire mesh and rose gold, with enhanced metal rims and stylish appearance, providing unique feeling to this product and can be easily coordinating with other office accessories and surrounding. Convenient and practical desk organizer comes with rose metal finish design, elegant and noble. Mesh design concept, more fashionable and convenient, so that it can be used in different places, storing large or small stationery and toiletries at any time. The desk organizer is also a fashionable gift. Creativity, a beautiful and excellent organizer that keeps your desktop clean and tidy. According to research, having a clean desktop can speed up your work and be more creative all day. Glad purchasing. AUPSEN is committed to creating exquisite, high-end, simple, creative and stylish household items. We fully trust our products and are committed to satisfying our customers. We offer 30-day return policy. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We pride on providing the best service in the industry. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.